This is not a TV ad, but definitely this is the best car vacuum cleaner. This Black & Decker Dustbuster 1200 AV is the best car vacuum cleaner. Until now I've tried all kind of vacuum cleaner for my car, but all disappointed me. In my opinion, this Black & Decker, it's perfect, it's super strong, it's light, it has very good accessories, it's well made, and you will see how good it is when you want to clean your car and you want to use a proper car vacuum cleaner. This is the box. Inside you'll get two accessories and a pocket and a bag for your vacuum cleaner. These are the accessories. They are very well made. You can use them very easy. You even get a brush here. As you can see, very easy to use it. This is the bag. Very disappointed with this accessory, but that's it. Okay, let's see the vacuum car cleaner. This is it. Just beautiful. It's super light, super design. I really like it. And as I said, this is top notch. This is the best car vacuum cleaner. You will see how powerful it is. In the end of this video, I will make a test, and you will see it in action. This is the cord. You can use it in your car. It has 12 volts. This is it. What can I say? It's perfect and super strong. This is the power on off button. Very easy to use. Just press it like this, and that's it. In this way you can use this hose. It's a flexible hose, so you can use it super okay in all spaces. And also with the accessories you can reach anywhere. As you can see, you have all you need right here. They're very easy to attach in this way, and to remove it just press this button like this. Okay, to put back the hose, just put it like this. You have some marks here, be careful. You can put it in whatever way. You have to follow those lines right here and right here. After that, just press on it and you will get it like this. This is the bin. You get almost half a liter capacity. The Cyclone vacuum, it's perfect and super strong. Let's see it in action. As I said, it's one of the best, maybe it's number one car vacuum cleaner. In my opinion, it's number one. And I have some experience with car vacuum cleaners portables. Okay, I would highly recommend this product. It's super powerful. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks.